step-by-step guide on how to play NFL on Prizepicks. First, you sign up or log into your Prizepicks account. You can do this on the mobile app or the website. And the second step will be choosing NFL as your sport. Once you're logged in, go to the home page and select NFL from the list of available sports. Then you will pick your NFL player props. You'll see a list of players with specific stats. Each player will have projected stat lines such as passing yards, rushing yards, receiving yards, touchdowns, so on and so forth. Here you can read more about the fantasy score. The fourth step will be selecting 2 to 6 players for your entry. Here, Prizepicks allows you to make entries with 2 to 6 player picks. The more picks you include, the higher your potential payout. Here you can read the rates and decide between flex play or power play. Power play, all of your picks must be correct to win, but the payout is higher. For flex play, you can still win if not all your picks are correct, though the payout will be lower. For example, in a 4-pick flex play, if you get 3 out of 4 right, you'll receive a payout. And the sixth step will be placing your entry. After making your picks and deciding between the type of play, you want to review your entry, enter your wager amount, and then click submit entry. Watch the games and track your results. This is the last step. Open the NFL games, or once the NFL games begin, you can track the performance of the players you've selected through the Prizepicks app or website, and if your predictions are correct, you win based on the payout structure of your entry. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.